What's up everyone, this is Vince with MarvelousMarketing.online here with another video today on the TikTok trend that's taking over right now. It's the 3D photo zoom effect that I've been seeing all over TikTok to show you how to do it so you can do it for yourself and get those likes, get those views, get those comments that you've been looking for. So if you're into that, then keep on watching today's video. Before we hop into today's material, I want to make sure you're ready to like the video, you're already subscribed, and you're ready to hit that bell notification so you're notified every single time I drop a video. I drop weekly videos on how to grow on social media. That's from Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, everything. So make sure you're subscribed so you see every single video when I drop it. I'm going to show you how to make that 3D photo zoom effect that you've been seeing all over TikTok. It's examples like this. So the first thing you're gonna need is the app called CapCut. I knew about this effect a long time ago, but you would have to use Adobe After Effects and it was just so much work. It was so tedious. With CapCut, what you can do is just pick the photo. It'll cut out the subject already and do that little photo zoom effect. All right, now after you've downloaded the app and you picked about 4 to 5 photos that you wanna use for this, let's get into the app and let's start doing it. So let's hop into CapCut. We're gonna hit New Project. We're gonna pick 5 photos. And I actually have a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna go to Photos. I'm gonna pick, let's see, I have this sushi one right here. I think that would be good. I'm gonna hit add. I'm gonna keep adding. Let's do this one, this other sushi one. If you didn't know, I have a foodie page, Marvelous Muncher, where I post a bunch of food photos and go to places all over San Diego to kind of show you how the food is. So check that out if you like. You're gonna hit the plus again right here to open up the next one. And what helps is if you have photos where there's one subject right in the middle of the page, because some of the photos, if there's too many things, the app won't be able to outline it out so it won't look too cool, but that's why you have to make sure that's one subject in it. So I'm gonna do one of my girlfriend and I. We had this dad birthday party for my birthday last weekend, so I'm gonna include those photos. I think those were fun. I'll do that one, I'll show you how that one goes. Hit add, okay. And then I'm gonna do one specifically that has a subject right in the middle so you see exactly what I'm talking about. That one, I think this one will be good for that. All right, and let's do one more just for fun. Let's do the ice cream one. I think the ice cream would be good. Yep, this one right here, add them all. And then what happens there, what you do then is that you go to the first photo, click on it so the whole clip is highlighted. You're gonna scroll on the bottom all the way to style. Okay, then you go to 3D zoom for style. It's gonna generate, it's gonna add the effect to it. Once it's done, I can hit play and you'll see how it kind of shifts. It does a 3D photo zoom effect. It's so cool. All right, and we're gonna do it to this one too. Gonna do it to all of them. I don't know if there's a select all and then add to each clip. I'm just gonna do one manually. For each one. And then this one, this one, and the last one. Like if we play each one, you'll see, ooh, look at that photo zoom effect. Ooh, look at the next one. Ooh, that one's cool. See, when I said the subject in the middle, it looks really cool. Even the one with the chicken sandwich, that one looks dope. And the ice cream too, that one looks really cool too. And then if you want to like, trim it down a little bit, all you have to do is click on the clip, or I have to hit add, I have to hit the check mark. And then all you have to do is drag one right to the left, drag it right and left to shorten the clip to however long you want to do it. So you want it to be short, you want it to be real short, like that. That one's perfect. And then I'm gonna delete the last clip because I don't want the little thing at the end. And then all you have to do is hit the top right corner, the up arrow, that means upload. You hit plus, video being exported, and you hit done, and then you'll see it's saved to your photos. Wow, and it's all its own little video, so all you have to do is upload it. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to take a sound from another video, trending sound on TikTok, and put it into this app so you can make sure that all of the notes or everything hits perfectly. So I'm gonna hit the project I made earlier, so go back to that one and hit add audio. Hit extracted. What's cool is that you can extract an audio from a previous video that you downloaded onto your phone. So I know the audio I want is from this clip right here. I'm gonna hit import sound only, and then it's gonna be attached. Just like that. And there you go, and the audio is already attached to it. So all you have to do is export it again and get it on TikTok. So that's the easiest way to do it. So if you're looking to get a song from TikTok into the app, make a private video of it, post it, then download the video, and then go into this app, hit extract audio onto the previous project and put it on here. Then you can use it and line it up perfectly to the sound and then post it back to TikTok. And so I'm gonna show you how I get the video that I made. I made one earlier. I'm gonna upload it to TikTok just to kind of show you how I did it. Let's go to TikTok real quick. I'm gonna hit this one, I'm gonna plus, I'm gonna hit upload right here. And I know the one I made earlier is this one. hit next, hit next. And I'm gonna hit the sound on here already. So I'm gonna go sound, I'm gonna go my favorites. I'm gonna add the funky town because I know it's that sound. And then I'm gonna hit okay, next. And then it's gonna be attached to it. So all I'm gonna do is play. There, and you'll see. See ya. I already made it. And then from there, all you do is post it to TikTok, watch those views and those likes come in. So share this with some of your friends that are trying to figure out this trend so they can use it on their page. Tell all your friends about my page because I'm trying to help you grow here on social media. This is the time to do it. So make sure you do it. If this video was helpful for you, make sure you like it already, you're subscribed, you hit that bell notification, and make sure you check me out on TikTok, on Instagram, here on YouTube, because I drop good tips to grow your business or your brand all over social media. So make sure you're here, and I'm here for you to help you out. So if you have any questions, put it in the comments below. I want to help you out with this. Most of all, don't forget, be marvelous.